County in north-central Maryland, eastern Washington County in north-central Maryland, northern Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, eastern Berkeley County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected 5 miles west of Shepherdstown, or near Martinsburg, and was moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Shepherdstown, Boonesboro, Wolfville. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows.